All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to be dividing decimals once more. But today, we have a decimal on my divisor. So, first things first, we're going to use our understanding of multiplying by powers of 10 to make this particular number a whole number. So right now, this number is 8 tenths. And when we divide by decimals, we don't divide by decimals. If people watch, that video. Now, I'm going to take this decimal and move it out the way, meaning that this is now going to become an 8. So because I moved it one time in my divisor, I have to move it one time in my dividend. So my dividend is 18, but as I change it and I move it one time from here to here, this now becomes 180. So now my new problem is 180 divided by 8. So now I gotta figure something out. And today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a place value chart instead of just long division, which is essentially the same. So my new problem again is 180. So 1 is in the hundreds place, 8 in the tens place, and a 0 in the ones place. Obviously, there's a decimal after the ones place. So I'm gonna put that there right now. So on the outside of my house is an 8. So now I got to think to myself, can 8 go into 1? Obviously, no. I'll put a 0. So now I gotta think, can 8 go into 18 now? So 8 goes into 18 2 times. So I'll put a 2 over the 8 because I'm in that place with that value now. So now 18 minus 16 gives me 2. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 2, bring it up to the 0 to make that number a 20. So now when I make that a 20, I have to think to myself, can 8 go into 20? 8 goes into 20 2 times again. So that's gonna give me 16. So 20 minus 16 gives me 4. And now I have an issue. My issue here is I cannot have remainders or decimals. So therefore I'm going to move, I'm going to add a 0 to the end of my quotient, and I'm going to move the 4 up here to make that a 40. So now 8 times 5 equals 40. And that's the end of my problem. The answer should have been 22 and 5 tenths.